Hello and welcome to our Industrial Outlook channel. Let's start this interview with the new launch like bifacial G2G N-Topcon 156 cells, and let's know more about from sir.
Hello, good afternoon. So, we are launching our product G2G N-type bifacial product here. So, the highest wattage which we are giving now is 625 wattage, which is the highest in the industry. We have already started our production. That this is the new generation technology, which is the N-Topcon. And the product is not only high wattage, it has low light, also emission, so it can operate at a longer period of time than a normal product. And this is the latest technology right now in the market.
So, sir, from how many years you are participating in Intersolar, and how Intersolar is helping you to grow?
So we like the location which Intersolar has chosen. So we have been associated with Intersolar for long, but last 3 years Intersolar is happening in Gandhidham, and as you all know, Gujarat is leading the solar business. It has not only highest number of manufacturers in India, but also beat the rooftop market or beat the industries. It is a very high radiation area. There's a lot of land which is unused, so it has all the ingredients for a top solar market. So we like the place, and Intersolar is doing a fantastic job here. Obviously, these expos are the places where we get to meet our customers, suppliers, all under the single roof. So that's the whole reason why we're participating in the solar.
And so, as we can see, N-Topcon modules are now BIS certified. So, how much BIS certification is important for every product?
Yeah, so every electrical product which you have to sell in India has to be BIS certified, and we are one of the first companies who have Topcon BIS certification, and it is the most important certification required to sell in India.
And what about sir ALM certification?
Yes, so as an Indian manufacturer, we are also in ALMM list. So as per the government policy, anything which has government subsidy has to be ALMM approved, and all our products are ALMM approved.
And what are your plans for 2024 and upcoming years?
So currently we are 3 gigawatt manufacturing, out of which 1.5 gigawatt is monoperk and 1.5 gigawatt is Topcon. So that is our current status. Along with that, we are also expanding another 2 gigawatt module, and then 2 plus 2 gigawatt of cell and module in Gujarat. So we have plans chalk out to become a 10 gigawatt manufacturer in next 2 years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.